This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can reset the gain and Expo tuning parameters to their factory default values. So once you switched on both the RC and the drone itself, the aircraft, made sure that they are connected, you will first need to go into the GoFly mode or flight interface. Now from here, launch settings. Then at the top, select the control category, scroll down just a tiny bit and open the gain and Expo tuning page. Now select what speed you would like to reset those parameters to default for, Cine, normal or sport. Let's say I'll go sport for instance. Now scroll this page all the way down, and here the last option that you'll see is reset current settings. So do that, reset, and here you have it. All parameters, all options, all adjustments have been successfully reverted to their factory original values. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.